guys, this is the 9's rap that I created to hopefully help you with memorizing your 9's facts. There are other tricks that you can use, but I think this one is just a really fun way to do it. Your parents are going to appreciate this about 1,000 times more than you because this song is to the tune of Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. So let's get started. Well, this is a story all about how my 9's got flipped, turned upside down. And I'd like to take a minute, just sit right there. I'll tell you how I learned to rap all my 9's without fear. It goes 9, 18, and then 27, 36, 45, and then 54, 63, 72, next is 81, and all that's left is 90, so now you're done. Yeah, rapping 9 sometimes can be pretty hard. Might make you catch your breath and say, oh my lord, but if I can do it, then well, you can too. So let's take it from the top and see how you do. It goes 9, 18, and then 27, 36, 45, and then 54, 63, 72, next is 81, and all that's left is 90, so now you're done. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more educational videos to help you with your learning. Bye!